how to solve rational inequalities. So, meron tayo dito ang problem. 2x all over x minus 4 is greater than or less than 1. So, first step is make one side 0. So, transpose. So, 2x all over x minus 4, tapos transpose natin yung 1. So, magiging 2x x minus 4 to 1 greater than or less than 0. Tapos, gagawin natin siyang fraction yung number negative 1. So, magiging 2x x minus 4 negative 1 negative 1 x minus 4. So, copy the denominator. So, pwede tayong mag-minus mamaya. So, now move on. Let's multiply this negative 1 to x. So, magiging 2x. So, x. So, to the 4. So, negative to negative. So, magiging positive 4. Copy the denominator. X 4. So, combine like terms. So, magiging x plus 4. X and x is 4 is greater than or less than 0. So, next natin gagawin is yung numerator at denominator ay gawin nating equal to 0. Gawin natin equal to 0. So, magiging 8. X plus 4 is equals to 0. So, transpose natin. Magiging x is equals to positive. So, magiging negative 4. So, same sa denominator. Gawin din natin 0 yung gawin din natin yung 0 yung numerator. So, x minus 4 is equals to 0. So, transpose ulit. X is equals to positive 4. Because negative, so magiging positive siya. Pagkatapos is gagawa tayo ng number line. Set tayo ng points. After that is this and this. After po nyan is kukuha na po tayo ng intervals. Tetest na po natin yung intervals. So, kanina nakuha natin is negative 4 and 4, positive 4. So, dito ay negative 4. Dito naman is positive 4. So, now, kukuha tayo dito ng isang number na mas mataas sa kanya. Kasi, ang circle niya is open circle. And dito sa kabila naman is closed. So, the test point is dito is kuha tayo ng isa. So, pinakamadali is 5. 5 plus 4, 5. Oh, mali. Negative 4. So, is equals to 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So, divide, magiging 9. So, itong last point is positive. So, this one is positive. So, dito naman, kukuha tayo ng isa pang number. Ang pinakamadali is 0. 0 plus 4. 0 minus 4 equals to. So, 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. To the other one is negative 4. So, pag dinivide is equals to, so negative, ito ay positive, so magiging negative 1. So, dito is negative siya. Sa pangatlo naman, kukuha tayo 4. So, negative 5. Negative 5 plus 4. And negative 5 minus 4 is equals to negative 5 plus positive 4 is equals to negative 1. And over negative 5 minus 4 is equals to negative 9. So, negative 1 divided by negative 9 is equals to, magiging positive siya kasi pag negative, hindi siya makakasama sa dito. Hindi siya pwedeng isama dito. Magiging undefined siya. So, yeah, magiging positive. Pagkatapos is write the solution in interval form. So, parenthesis, and this sign, 8, negative 4, so close siya, so it means kasama siya sa solution set. Tapos union nasa gitna, parenthesis kasi hindi kasama, 4, and parenthesis ulit. So, ito ang form ng pag naka-interval siya. So, this is the answer. Yan lang po, sir. Thank you.